Hello and welcome to this demo on Resume SkillUp, an AI tool powered by Amazon Web Services and OpenAI. Built for job seekers to tailor their skills quickly and effectively, this project is an educational project to demonstrate the use of AWS and OpenAI. Let's have a look at the architecture diagram. The user accesses the tool via URL, which in my case is tool.bhavingoswami.com, which is hosted on Amazon Route 53 DNS service. The request is then forwarded to Amazon CloudFront, which is a global content delivery service used for faster data transfer using edge locations and caching. The user's request is then forwarded to AWS Cognito for authentication, which authorizes the user to access the APIs in the API gateway through the front-end interface that is hosted on AWS Amplify. Then in the backend, we have three Lambda functions, each performing specific tasks. The first Lambda function uploads a resume to S3 bucket. The second function sends the sanitized job description from the front end to OpenAI and retrieves a list of extracted skills and sends it back to the user on the front end. The third Lambda function retrieves the resume from S3 bucket, maps the placeholders, and returns the processed resume to the user for download on the front end. That's how this tool works. Let's jump to the tutorial part. Now I'll enter the tool URL. That's tool.bhavingoswami.com. Since I already have an account, I'll proceed with the login. Let's continue. I'm successfully authenticated. For the first time users, I recommend going through instructions and privacy policy section to know more about this tool. I'll upload a sample resume. As you can see, under the technical proficiencies section, I have 6 placeholders. I'll open this resume. On clicking this button, this will trigger the first Lambda function to upload it to S3 bucket. Now I need to get job description. For that, I'll go on Google Jobs and get a description. I'll copy it, I'll paste it here. Now I have triggered the second Lambda function, which will sanitize the text, send it to OpenAI, and retrieve a list of skills. If you don't like the set of skills generated, you can trigger the function again. Now I'll select a few skills to add it to my resume. Performance optimization, user experience, design patterns. Now I'll trigger the third Lambda function, which will retrieve the resume from S3 bucket, process it, and send it back to the user. So as you can see, I have all the skills selected, placed under my technical proficiencies section. That's how easy it is to use this tool. I'm always looking forward to improve. So if you have any suggestions for enhancing the architecture diagram or the tool itself, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for exploring Resume SkillUp.